Hello and welcome to PnaPna sites. In this video, we will discuss about the PnaPna WordPress site. The first thing you need to do is to navigate to PnaPna site's login page mentioned here. Then enter your username and password. So here we are on the dashboard. On the top you will see Welcome to WordPress section. You can click on dismiss option to hide that. Now you will see that we have got these different sections here. All the sections are customizable and rearranged, so you can drag and drop them around. At the top you will also see a link called Screen Options. If you click on it, then you can customize which module is to show up. You can bring and hide the modules here. So let's start with the top navigation menu. You can see the drop down provides the links to WordPress.org, documentation, support forms and feedback. The next one is drop down which says visit website. Here you can actually load up the front end of our website. Let's just open that in a new tab. So this is what the website looks like right now. This is the single post. It's pre-populated in the installation of WordPress. Getting back to the dashboard, next option shows you comments, if there are any comments that needs to be moderated. Then there is a menu where you can create new post, media, page or user. Then on the right it says howdy and our username where you can edit and log out as well. Then if you look right at the bottom, it mentions the version of the WordPress. Now let's look at the main navigation on the left hand side. Firstly, there is a collapse menu which will compress the menu. So at the top on the dashboard we have got home, which is what we are currently looking at. Then we got updates option. So if there is any update, you can see the notification here. If we click on the updates, so this is the dashboard for updates which tells that you have the latest version installed and then all the plugins and themes that can be updated. Next we have posts, where we can manage our posts, add a new post, we can manage categories and tags. Next we have got media. This is the media library where we can upload images, audio files, videos. We recommend using this for images. So here we can manage our media library or add a new one. Next we have pages, where we can manage all the pages and add a new page. Under comments, you can edit or moderate your comments. In the next section, there is appearance, where you can manage and add new themes. Then there is customize, which is the inbuilt customizer that WordPress comes with. Next we have widgets, which refers to elements that you can add to the sidebar of your theme. Then next we have menus. This is where you can manage and create new menu. Under header, you can customize your header. In editor, you can edit different files that make your theme. Now let's jump to plugins, where you can view all your installed plugins. Also you can activate or deactivate your plugins. You can add new plugins and then again you can edit them as well. Next we have got users. Here you can view all your users, also add or delete the users. You can also manage your own profile. Next we have tools, where you can see available tools and also import and export your content in WordPress site. Then next we have settings. Here we can have general settings that control your website. We have got writing settings, which is related to writing content. Then there is reading settings. This applies to people viewing your website or reading your content. Discussion settings relate to commenting and moderation of comments. Media settings relate to the media that you upload to your website. Then permalinks are important, that is the link structure that your website uses. So that is it. It was a quick overview of a fresh WordPress installation. We have covered the foundation of WordPress and it's important to have an understanding of the same. Thank you and more PnaPna to you.